Hi guys, I'm Priyanka. Welcome to my kitchen once again. Today we are preparing a very popular dal, that is dal makhani in a restaurant style. Let's see what all ingredients are required for that. For dal makhani we'll be needing half cup of black gram, that is kali urad dal. Then 1/4 cup of red kidney beans, that's rajma. I have soaked them overnight. For tempering our tadka we'll be needing 1.5 tablespoon of butter, 2 medium sized fresh tomato puree, 1 large very finely chopped onion, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic very finely chopped, 1 inch of ginger very finely chopped again. For these spices we'll be needing 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, and salt as per the taste. We'll also be needing half a cup of fresh cream and water. Let's start now. For dal makhani, first we'll pressure cook the dal and then we'll do the tempering. Let's start now. I've taken a pressure cooker and now I've put the dal into it. I'll add water. I'm adding around 3 cups of water and later on it can be adjusted as well. I'll also add in half of my ginger to it. And half of the salt. Give it a mix. And we'll close the lid. I've closed the lid of the pressure cooker and the flame is on high. I'll cook it for 5 minutes or for the 2 whistles. Then we'll lower down the heat to medium and we'll cook it for another 15 minutes. The dal was cooking for 15 minutes and after that I switched off the flame and now I am opening the lid. We'll take a potato masher. Yes, the dal is almost cooked. You can see it by just pressing it between your fingers. And now we have to mash up the dal little bit. I have mashed the dal now and now we are going to prepare the tadka. I have taken a pan and I'll put the butter into it and let it melt. The butter has melted now and I'll add the cumin seeds to it. The seeds are spluttering now. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. After they become little brown, we are going to add our onions. The ginger and garlic, they have turned brown almost. I can feel the nice aroma as well. Now at this time we are going to add our onions. And we'll saute it till the onions become nice brown colors. The onions are nicely done now. They have got a golden brown color. At this stage we are going to add our tomatoes and the spices. Chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, and the salt, and we'll stir it. We have to cook this until the masala oozes out the oil. The masala is done now, as you can see. it has released its oil. Now here we are going to add the dal. Just be careful before adding it and give it a good mix. The dal has come to a boil. Here we are going to add our fresh cream, half a cup, and give it a stir. Now we are going to cook it for another 10 minutes on a slow flame. So we'll just put a lid and we'll cook it. It's 10 minutes now. Let's see. Yeah, it's ready. And wow, what a aroma. We'll serve it now. I have served it and garnished with cream. Our restaurant style delicious dal makhani is ready. You can have it with naan, chapatis, rice, whatever you like. We are having it with naan today. Please visit my YouTube channel for the latest upcoming videos and my Facebook page as well. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.